Hello friends, and welcome to another video of a factory tour. Noodles are the favourite food of millions, maybe even billions of people, and they're ready in just a few minutes. Due to this, many people like to eat them every day. But have you ever thought how these quick cooking noodles are made in the factory? I will let you know where to get more information about this noodles making business. So friends, let's unbox Gujarat's noodles making factory, Funzo Private Limited, where different types of noodles, pasta and other food items are made. The amazing noodle making process starts with the raw materials, namely flour, salt, water and oil. As per the recipe, all the raw materials are added in a mixer. Here they are well mixed and made into a smooth batter. You must be thinking that how are the noodles made from this batter? Well, let's move on to the next process. After a thorough mixing, the finished batter is poured into a rolling machine. This makes it into sheets. The sheet is passed over by various different rollers, and at the same time it is cut to the prescribed size. After cutting, a conveyor belt sends it into the steamer machine. Before going into the steamer machine, the sheet gets its recognisable shape of noodles. Isn't that amazing? In this machine, noodles are steamed thoroughly and it gives noodles the smooth texture. After steaming, the noodles are separated. Here you can see that the noodles have become softer. So by now you must be thinking that in our homes, noodles are hard in the packet. Well, let's see how we get there. After separating, the noodles are set in a mould for frying. This frying machine fries the noodles up to 80%, and the remaining 20% is cooked in your home. That's why they're ready for us in just 2 minutes. After frying, the noodles are passed through a machine to be cooled down. Now our noodles are ready. But if you eat the noodles now, you will not get the familiar flavours that you would expect of many home-cooked noodle packets. Well, for that, we go to the other side of the factory where the spices are mixed. To make the noodles seasoning, different spices are added to a mixer. Once mixed, this seasoning is packaged in the famous small sachets by an automatic packing machine. Now the noodles and seasoning pouch are packed together by placing them on a conveyor belt. Care is taken to ensure that each packet of noodles has a seasoning sachet. Finally, our favourite noodles are ready. After packaging, the noodles are packaged into bigger boxes and sent to retailers so that you can enjoy your favourite noodles at home. So friends, we have seen how quick and easy home-cooked noodles are made in the factory. For more information about this business, provide your details in the link below and our team will assist you. To see the noodles making business documentary, visit the IID YouTube channel or website. All the links are noted below. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of a noodles making factory. Which process did you find most interesting? Please comment below. Subscribe to us for more factory unboxing videos, like the video and don't forget to share with your family and friends. Stay connected, be updated.